every time someone hit that follow button, 5 push-ups.
12 unopened packs. Crazy. Let's do these packs. Pack openings, baby. I just got 85 Mark Jackson. Crazy. Breaks it. I just got a dynamic duo. What the freak? Chauncey Billups, okay. I'll take it. I'm taking these players. I'll take them right now. I feel like so many people are already ahead of my team, bro. I'm getting rubies already, and it's day 1. Like today, like people forget today's the first day of 2K, like officially. Like for the US. Yesterday was New Zealand. That's the only way I was able to play early. Like today's still the first day. I feel like somebody already has a good card already. It's crazy. I just got the same card twice. An amethyst player. Oh shoot. Western Conference small forward number 34 Paul. Oh wait, no. Ray Allen? Oh no. I'm tripping. I didn't even know that. Okay, I'll take him. Take Mr. Xavier. Auctions. What? I can't? Alright, I'll just sell them to be honest. I already got. I ain't tripping. Okay, let's open these packs real quick. Let's keep opening. Jordan shoe, okay. I'm not really crazy. This is a Popovich pack or just coach? Oh, it's a coach. Okay, Doc Rivers. All right, I'll take it. D-Book, of course I had to. It's only right. It would be crazy if they would give me Michael Jordan. Oh shoot, I was joking. Oh shoot, I was joking. I didn't even see the pack or nothing. I did not even see the pack. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Come on, man. You know what I do. Oh, I gotta pick one card. I'm picking Dave Robinson, center. Need a center, man. Free agent card. It really doesn't even matter, to be honest now. 95 book, I guess. I mean, I'm going to use him. What, the free agent packs already as it is. The best way to use get evolutions up is use them for triple threat offline versus the AI. Easy way to get your evolution cards up. Easiest way, man. Easiest way. Come on, come on. Nah, I cannot. Done this play for MC. Screw it. Screw it. I'm saving up all my MC this year, but I'm not. See, if I would have got Vince Carter. Come on, man. Come on. A bronze ball. It's pure bronze. Okay, well, that's it for the pack.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Honorable senior.
Run that back, Turbo.
Buddha bless this beat. Mike Wilman.
We got London on the track.
Southside on the track. Yeah.
Cook that shit up, boy. Metro Boomin want some more, nigga. Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? Weezy out of here.